Hey everyone, today I thought I would do a mini Sephora haul, and I've just opened the box up so you don't hear me like scouring with the scissors, but it's a really tiny haul, but it's the first purchase from Sephora for 2019, and these were things that I just kind of saw and liked, and I'll go through it with you. So as I said, it's a really tiny haul. I'm going to do a drugstore haul soon because I haven't done one of those in like years and I absolutely miss it. So the first things are the little free sample things you get. And I tend to get perfumes most of the time because for foundations, they never really have my colour and I don't feel like it's as worth it. Whereas perfumes, I put these in my bag for the night, clutches, etc. So this one's by Commodity and it's called Bergamot. Not heard of this brand. And this is K. Ali Elixir 2 Eau de Parfum. Again, never heard of it, but they should be good. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry, I just had to turn off my phone or put it on silent. My lipstick, by the way, is Cherries in the Snow, but I did buy another lipstick. So then, piece of paper. Yeah, I was going to say it's really not that much. So I bought this toucher, the Silk Canvas. This is the Filter Finishing Protective Primer, and I bought it in the tiny version, like it's legit mini. I have not tried this in the store. I've gone based on Casey Holmes. I do watch her vlogs, and I don't watch her beauty channel though. And she had the big one, and she was loving it. Look how pretty that packaging is. That's cute. And she bought a mini one for travel because she says that's all you need. It smells nice. And I've not really used any toucher products. I think I've used one thing, which was like a deluxe sample, which was nice. So Filter Finish Protective Primer. So yeah, I'll see how that is. But she swears by it, and she bought the mini version. And, you know, $20 or whatever for this tiny little pot. But I think it will last a while, as primers normally do. And if I like it, I can get a big one. I would just rather have a small size, not to waste product. And then one of my perk points was the Clinique Chubby Stick in Super Strawberry No. 7. And I'll most likely give this to my sister because I like giving her these sort of colours. They're very her. So Mina, that's going to be in your little package. And then the last three things I got are this. And I kind of regretted this, but I kind of am happy that I got it at the same time. I bought something from Benefit, which I haven't done in years. And this is the Roller Eye Bright Pencil. I am only using a black pencil for my waterline and just regular line. And I used to use a nude pencil. And ever since I've been doing my eyebrows and my eyeliner, I started off with very good brands and quite high-end brands and quite expensive, but especially eyebrows. I go through those a lot, and I just felt like paying $25 is just too much. So I found, you know, Soap and Glory and like other, like NYX and things like that. Their brow pencils are really good, kind of like $8, fine, good. Eyeliners, black eyeliners, I only use a pencil or like from a gel pot. So if I'm using a pencil, again, I don't really feel like spending $20 on something like that. So I'm using like the Sephora brand. It works really great. I've got it on my eyes now. Amazing. And so when I thought about getting a nude pencil, I was like, well, I'll just get, you know, from the same brand, you know, like a drugstore or, you know, from Sephora, what have you. But I saw this from Benefit and it said a Roller Eye Bright Pencil. So it intrigued me and I liked the packaging. And I thought, you know what, I should go ahead and try it. There must be a reason why this is good. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice color actually. It's not too peachy, not too pink. So I think it will really brighten that area up. Let's see. So that's that eye. That's this no liner. This is with the liner. So it's quite, I'm looking in the computer, so that's why I'm a little awry. So there you have it. Just kind of brightens your eyes up a little bit, maybe finishes the look a little bit. I don't know. Was it worth the price? No. Not from first testing. But I got it. And, oh, the last thing I got was this, which was my favourite. I had to because of the packaging. I mean, come on, duh. This is the Rouge Volupte Oil and Stick Ready to Care and Share Lip Colour by Yves Saint Laurent in 44 Nude. And I guess it's specific for Valentine's Day, but look how pretty that is. So cute. They had some really beautiful like cherry colours as well, but I just saw this online and I was like, oh, I miss that smell. Kind of smells like peach snaps though. Very pretty. Let's wipe my lipstick off and try it. Okay, so this is my lips without anything. What do you think? Do we even notice any difference? I feel like the lighting is rubbish. Oh yeah, there is. So it's a lot more softer pink, which I really like, than nude. And it's still got that very like glossy, super lip balmy feel to it. I really like it actually. I actually really like it. I thought it'd be a sort of nothing sort of lip. And it is in a way, but it's got colour, especially on my lips, which normally soak in nude colours like so. But this is really great. I actually quite like this a lot. Yeah, I really like it. And I just love the packaging. So yeah, that's all I got was the Toucher, the Benefit, and the Saint Laurent YSL. And then as a perk also, no, it was like a beauty offer. I decided to try the 24-hour Wear High Perfection Skin Caring Foundation with Sunscreen by Dior in 3N in neutral, which was before called 030. I think that was a shade number that I was in Dior. It's been a long time. And I haven't tried another foundation since my Hourglass Vanish Stick. Yeah, this looks like the right colour. And I wanted, and that's a stick, so I wanted to see what a regular liquidy foundation would be like again. I don't think you can really even see a difference. But it's smoothing, light, smells lovely, smells floral. And I love the colour, it definitely is neutral. When I'm putting this on my skin and looking at my natural skin underneath, I'm a lot more yellow. This has toned me down a bit, but I think it's quite nice. But not to the point where it's greying me out or anything. It's still got a bit of like a brownie undertone to it, so a warmer undertone to it. Yeah, I quite like that. So that is my haul. I know it was a little bit all over the place. I hope you don't mind. I have to go to class now. Maybe that's why I was rushing a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys.